Hi all, Namaste. I'm Sona. Welcome to another episode of Soul Speak with Sona. A lot of you might be feeling a lot of energy changes recently. So yesterday, I asked a question on my Instagram and Facebook, asking people if they have felt some energy change recently. A lot of people who would earlier feel very positive and sorted are suddenly feeling very emotional, very pessimistic, very nostalgic, and if they're suddenly reconsidering their choices and they're wondering if they're on the right path. If you are one of those people, I just want you to know that it's absolutely nothing to worry about. It's mainly because of planetary transits and the spring equinox and moon phases, and it's very common. It's happening with almost everyone, so nothing to worry about. It's very temporary and it will be all right soon. And starting with today's reading, this is going to be a general reading as usual, so take what resonates. Not everything will resonate with absolutely everyone, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Thank you so much if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you for all your love and encouragement. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do check out my previous videos. Do check my description box for details on how to book a private session. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook for daily tarot guidance. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what the month of April holds for you. I also have a very fun contest in the middle of the video where I will test your intuition and also give you a chance to win a free mini reading. And I also have one lucky winner from last week's video. So keep your eyes peeled. Somewhere in the middle of the video, I will be announcing last week's lucky winner and I will pull a couple of cards for them. So don't forget to check the contest in the middle of the video, comment and subscribe to my channel. And now I will pause here while you go and choose one of the four cards that appeals the most to you and come back here and I'm going to tell you what it means for the month of April for you. Hello, welcome back. So I'm going to start with all the people who have picked the white bracelet. Let me see what the month of April holds for you. I have some pre-shuffled and pre-picked cards here in front of me, so I'm going to use that and then I'm going to pick some extra cards from my decks. The first card that I have for you tells me that you have been trying very hard to move away from a situation which has not been working for you. For a lot of you, I feel this could be a breakup or a past relationship ending. Maybe it has not ended permanently, but this is something that you're trying to do. You have been trying to move to calmer waters, and that is something that I can very strongly feel. A lot of you might be trying very hard to get over this person. It could be a situation which is very tough to get out of. If this is a career opportunity, if this is a job which you are stuck in, this could maybe imply a situation where you're trying to move on and find a better job, but you're just not getting the offers and you just find yourself back in that cycle. However, this month, in the month of April, what I see is that you will reach some sort of calmer water, so as to say, and you will get some sort of relief from what you're feeling, and you will get the relief or the respite that you have been waiting for such a long time. I do sense that you will this is something which just needed some time. You were healing, you were on your spiritual journey, and until that, you had to go through all the stages. And in the month of April, you will be reaching sort of the final stages for this transformation, and then you will find it very easy to get to the next stage of your journey. And this is something that a lot of you might have been trying for a really long time. It could be 6 months for some of you. I do sense a lot of you might be dealing with some sort of legal issue, some court cases or something. It need not be anything legal. Maybe you have applied. So basically, the card that I have picked, that depicts the Hierophant. This denotes any sort of institution. It can be the institution of education, like universities or any big organization, legal institution. So anything you might have applied for a scholarship, a course or something, you might have applied for a visa or something. This is basically to do with government departments and organizations, law, judiciary, education, marriage, things like that. Anything where you have applied or something to any of these institutes and you're waiting to hear back from them, the month of April is very good for you to hear back from them. I also sense that, as I rightly said, that you are on your spiritual journey and things are improving for you, and I can very strongly feel that with this card, because I can sense that you will be reaching the next stage. You will be reaching. So this card is called nothingness. So you will be reaching this point of nothingness. This calmness you will feel within you, and you will finally be at peace. And this is the kind of peace that you have been looking for a really, really long time now, and you've not been able to find it. But I feel that in the month of April, you will find that mental peace that you had been running after for a really, really long time. And this is an excellent card to get, especially if you've been trying hard to work on yourself, you've been trying to end old patterns and things like that. And I see huge improvement happening in the month of April. And also your guidance card tells me this is a purification card, which says that you are purifying your life, and a lot of things which are not working for you anymore, you are letting go of them, or you're being asked to let go of them so that new things can enter. So I do sense for all the people who picked the white bracelet that the month of April brings much needed relief or respite in your life, and you will make a huge headway in this month, and it will make all of your journey until now worthwhile. So I feel this is not a month to expect a lot of external things to happen. Although I do feel that you might hear from any institute or any organization that you have applied into or are waiting to hear from. However, other than that, also if you have any legal case, I feel that it will go in your favor. However, apart from that, I feel this is more a month of inner transformation where you will be on your inner journey and you will make great progress in that field. I hope that helped you. Don't forget to watch this video till the end, because I have an exciting contest for you where I will show you a card and ask you to guess a number, and then the person with the right answer will get a chance to win a free mini reading from me. Also, I declare one lucky winner from last week's video in this video, so don't forget to watch it till the end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do leave a comment below to let me know what number you pick. Thank you so much. And now we move to all the people who have picked the number 2, this green lovely bracelet. I just love this. This is Chrysos Space Crystal. And let's see all those who have picked this. What does the month of April 2021 bring for you? Wow. So April 2021, for all the people who picked the middle green, the second green bracelet, I see that April 2021 is going to be a month where you're going to feel very nostalgic. You're going to feel very nostalgic about things in the past. A lot of you might be revisiting something from the childhood, from the past. Ex returning is something that I can feel for a lot of people. Either you will have someone from your past contact you, or alternatively, you might feel like contacting someone from your past and rekindling what you had. If you don't have any such inclinations, I still feel there is a high chance that you will keep on reliving moments from the past, maybe moments from a particular relationship. You might relive the good moments in your mind over and over again. You might play them over and over, thinking, oh my god, it's not an energy of regret that I sense, but more of nostalgia, just thinking about the past. This card also tells me that if someone from your past does return this month, this is going to be a relationship that you need to give another shot to. I do feel that this could be someone who comes back in in a better mindset than before, and things might not have worked for you in the past, but this time when this person comes back, they might have made the required changes that you had been waiting for them to make. So it's all good. Your next card tells me that there is a situation in your life where you have been looking for something for a really long time, but you have been looking for it in the wrong place. This card tells me that what you want, you already have access to it. Look at this small kid. This small kid is trying to go out into the garden to play. He does not, but he does not realize that the iron gate is actually open. That the lock, it's unlocked. It's not locked. So he has access to where he wants to be. He just doesn't realize it yet. So in your life, there is something that you have been looking for a really long time. You've been searching for something. This could be something related to finance, but I'm getting the sense that for a lot of you, this is love. But what you're looking for is actually quite accessible to you. What do I mean by that? I mean that this could be someone that you already know. You've just not thought of them in the same, in that angle or something like that. It could be your neighbor, a sister's friend, an old friend, a classmate, someone you've not thought of in that way. This card often comes up in readings where there is someone around you who fits the bill of exactly who you're looking for, but you don't realize it. And this is not just for relationships, this can also be if you're facing any financial issues. I do feel that you have access to funds, whether you realize it or not. You do have access to funds, and this card combined with this tells me that this is definitely coming through someone that you already know, someone from your past. So it looks very exciting, and as I told you, if this is a love relationship, and if this is someone from the past coming back, then I do sense that this will be something that you should consider. And a gateway is opening. So there is a gateway opening for you in the month of April 2021. This gateway will pave the way for a much more amazing, abundant, magnificent future ahead. So um, don't be afraid of stepping through this gateway into something much more amazing, something much more magical, and something um, much more larger than life is what I feel. This gateway will lead you to something amazing, and this is new opportunity coming up. This could be, of course, someone from your past, as I mentioned. This could also be something new. This could be a great career opportunity, something in love, something in family. Depends on what you're looking for. But yes, this is going to be amazing for all the people who have picked number 2. And now I have a fun game for you. I have a number here on this side of the card. I have a number between 20 to 40. Okay, between 20 to 40. So it can be 20, 21, 22, 23 till 39 or 40. So you have to guess which number this is, between 20 to 40. Both numbers included. Which number am I holding? Which number card am I holding in my hand? The person who guesses it correctly wins a free one card pull reading, mini reading from me. So this is a great exercise for you to test your intuition. Just close your eyes and think about what number comes to your mind between 20 to 30, 20 to 40. I'm sorry, 20 to 40. Both numbers included. Is it 29? Is it 36? Is it 21? Is it 40? Who knows? So just think about that number. Let me know in the comments below. And if you are the lucky winner, if you are correct, you are going to win a free one card pull in my next video. So this was the contest for today. To participate, don't forget to subscribe to my video, and don't forget to leave your comment with the number, your guess in the comments. And also, I'm going to pick one winner from last week's video, and it could be you. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Now I come to all the people who have picked number 3, this beautiful red and blue bracelet. Let me see what the future holds for you, the month of April 2021. Oh, you seem to be focused on your finances. So all the people who picked the third bracelet option, you seem to be very focused on paving the way to your financial future, a very stable future. So I do see a lot of you investing a lot of money in something, investing a lot of money into maybe purchasing a house. Maybe you might have already invested something. I do see a lot of money coming your way in the month of April. This is money which can come through like a bonus, like a windfall gain. It could be something to do with your job. Maybe you get a pay rise, a hike, who knows. But definitely this is an excellent time for money. And also this card is saying whatever decisions you take in April, if you're planning to do any sort of investment, this is an excellent time to do it. And everything that you do in April will lead the way to a better future. So don't be hesitant. If you have any idea in your mind, if you want to start some business or anything financial, do go for it. I do focus that a lot of you are mainly focused on your finances and career. You have some sort of a breakthrough coming in this month. This breakthrough, I feel, is in the sense of a situation which you have been tolerating for a really long time, and now you just feel that, okay, I've reached my limit, enough is enough, I'm not going to take this anymore. That is the kind of energy that I feel. Some of you could be considering quitting your job because you've had enough of the difficulties that you're currently facing in your job. So that could be it. For others, it could be a toxic relationship where you've had enough and you just want to end that situation. Or some of you could also be shifting homes from one city to another because you've just or just shifting homes because I feel that you're just done with the situation at hand. So I do see some sort of breakthrough. If you have been tolerating a certain situation for a really long time, this is the perfect card, which basically tells me that this is a perfect month for you to reach that breakthrough or just get over that and move to the next level in your life, especially something which you have been tolerating for many months now, perhaps 7 to 8 months. I don't. I feel that you are very, very focused on making a lot of money at this point of time, and this month you're going to get some sort of aha moment, light bulb moment. Something will just click. You will reach some sort of illumination in your mind. Something will just make sense suddenly. This is something maybe you've not thought about it a lot. I am getting a very strong sense, and this will resonate with some people, not with everyone, that this could be. You might be wondering why certain people treated, a certain person treated you in a particular way in the past, and that is something that you might have thought about in the past, but you've not thought about it a lot recently. But in the month of April, it just suddenly will come to you that, oh my God, this is why they did this. This could be related to someone else, as just mentioned in my example. This could also be something else just related to you. It could just click. It could just suddenly be like, oh my God, it just clicks. Okay, now it makes sense. So something like that. So there is this big aha moment coming to you. I am tempted to pull one more card to see what this is related to. Okay, this is definitely related to someone else. This could be a friend, an ex-lover, a family member, or someone. This is something related to a third party or someone else, and you were always wondering why they treated you a certain way, why they behave the way they did, or why are they behaving a certain way, and it will all make sense in the month of April. So it's all good, and this is a positive card, by the way. When I say it makes sense, it's something positive that you will realize, not something negative, nothing to worry about. So I hope that helps you. Let me know in the comment if it does. I hope you saw the contest, and you have to guess a number between 20 to 40 that I have in mind. And if you guess it correctly, then I'm going to pick you for next week's free reading. And now I have come to the end of the segment, and also before I go to the fourth one, I just want to tell you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and please leave your comments below telling me if this reading resonated with you or not. So now, as promised, I've come to the end of this segment and all the people who picked this copper bracelet. So let me see what the month of April has for all of you. So the month of April has the Page of Cups. This is amazing. This is asking you to think bigger, think bigger, think more magical. You might have, over the last few years, how do I put it? You might have started thinking very small. You might believe that a big dream of yours is never going to come true because it's very unlikely, it's very difficult. You might think it's impossible, but this card is telling me that pigs can fly. See, pigs can fly. So if you believe, you can get anything that you want, and if you can dream. I just absolutely love the energy of this card, and this is telling me a lot of you might be water signs or dealing with water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So this will hold all the more. This the message will be stronger for if you are a water sign or dealing with a water sign. So as I was saying, you are being asked to dream big, because who knows, it can fly. The universe has infinite potential. It can bring you whatever you want. Just don't limit yourself to thinking small or thinking of what is possible. Remember, we are bound by the constraints of our mind. The universe has no boundaries, okay? And this is also to do with love, if you see. So a lot of you might be dreaming small in terms of love. You might have in your mind idea of a certain relationship, but you do feel that, okay, that's not possible, I'm not good enough, or I don't think I'm going to get that kind of energy is what I am sensing. But this card tells me that it is very much possible. So let me see. Oops. Your card tells me, okay, a lot of cards fell out, so I'm going to shuffle once more and pick another one. Let me see. Okay, amazing. Okay, so your next card is adventure, which basically tells me that you need to step out of your comfort zone in the month of April. You need to do something amazing. A lot of you might go on a short trip. You might go on a short weekend trip or something. This could be an impromptu trip, nothing like an adventurous trip. This card has a very nice energy. It says that look at the world like a child does, like with adventure, with curiosity, with passion. Look at everything with a keen sense of curiosity and like treat life as an adventure. Life is an adventure. Don't be afraid of taking risks. Look at this little child going into the forest. He does not know what lies ahead for him, but he still goes. So don't be afraid of taking risks. I think both your cards are saying the same thing. Don't be afraid of taking risks. I also think that a lot of people who picked the fourth bracelet, when they picked the bracelet, they had some decision in mind. They're very afraid of taking something, that leap of faith. It could be a relationship, it could be a career decision or anything. So don't be afraid of taking risks. Also, this card tells me that financially you're going to be in a good place. You're going to be taken care of. So don't be afraid of taking risks. Just go, take that leap. Don't be afraid. Just go for it. And it's all going to, not only is it going to be fine, but it is possible, is what the cards are saying. It is very much possible. This is what I'm sensing. Let me pull out a guidance card for you. Okay, your guidance card says stillness. So even though sometimes we feel very bad when things are not moving, but this card just says that stillness is not bad. Stillness is good. Stillness shows peace. It shows peace of mind. So you might feel that things are not moving as fast as you want them to, or there might be some sort of a pause in a process that you're going through. This card says that embrace the stillness. Also embrace the stillness within you. Chaos is not always good. I'm getting very particular message for someone. This will resonate with some people or not. You might be in a relationship which is very stable, and sometimes you might crave a little bit of drama. This card says stillness is good. Stability is good if you give it a chance. Stillness is peaceful, it's calm, it's good for you, it's working out in your favor. So don't take it negatively, in the negative sense. It's good, it's working out for you. So this was the month of April. If you do end up taking this risk, by the way, which I have mentioned in these cards, if you do end up taking this risk, I do feel that you will be on the right path. You should take this risk. Whatever decisions comes to your mind right now, you should take this. And now I am going to pull a card for last week's winner. And all those who picked number 4, do let me know in the comments if the messages resonated with you. Also, do check back. At one point in the video, I asked an intuitive question from you. I asked you to guess a number between 20 and 40. If you guess it correctly, in the comments below, and if you subscribe to my channel, you might win a free one card pull in my next video. And also, it's a good way to test your intuition and see if you're correct. And don't forget to check out my other videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And here I am going to pull out a video from a lucky winner from last week's video. And the winner that I have chosen is Saloshni Reddy. So Saloshni, if you're watching this, this is messages for you. The cards are asking you to breathe. Just breathe and just be in the moment, because I do feel that you're not relaxed at the moment. I do feel that you've forgotten. You've just been in a rat race. You're just running after something for a really long time. And this card is just asking you to relax and just breathe. Look at this person. She's so serene because she's pausing in the moment. Just breathe, take deep breaths. Also, if you've been wondering if you should go for a meditative practice or something, this card is a big yes. Yes, you should go for a meditative practice, yoga, anything like that. I also feel that you might have underestimated yourself or undervalued yourself and valued other people more. So this card is asking you to focus more on yourself. Self-love is very much necessary for you at this point of time. Self-love and self-care. And this is what the card is saying. So Saloshni, this was my message for you. If you're watching, do let me know if this resonated. For all of you, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment with your number. Let's see who's correct. Also, let me know if any of this resonated with you. And thank you so much.